Ask any experienced mechanic which SUVs they trust the most, and you won't hear about fancy European luxury models or the latest electric trend. You'll hear the same names repeated again and again. These are the SUVs that don't chase trends, don't overload you with fragile tech, and don't leave you on the side of the road when the warranty runs out. They're the quiet workhorses that last 200,000 to 300,000, sometimes even 400,000 miles, if you treat them right. Today, we're counting down 8 of the most reliable SUVs on the road. These are the ones mechanics recommend to their own family members. They hold their value, they cost less to maintain, and most importantly, they just don't break. Make sure you watch to the end because the last SUV on this list has a reputation for being so dependable. Some mechanics refuse to, and I mean refuse to, sell theirs. If you're tired of costly repairs, unexpected breakdowns, or just want a vehicle you can trust for the next decade, this list is for you. Before we start, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what SUV you drive and how many miles you've got on it. Let's get into it. Number 8. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is the definition of long-term dependability. It's not the flashiest SUV. It's not going to win drag races or overload you with complicated tech. But what it will do is start every morning, get your family where they need to go, and keep doing it for hundreds of thousands of miles. Under the hood, the Highlander is powered by one of Toyota's most proven engines, a smooth and durable V6, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This same engine and transmission combination has been tested in multiple Toyota models for years. It's simple, strong, and free from unnecessary complexity. Mechanics love the Highlander because they know what to expect. Routine maintenance is easy, parts are widely available, and failures are extremely rare. As long as you keep up with oil changes and basic care, this SUV can outlast your car payments and possibly even your next one. Then there's the hybrid version. Instead of sacrificing reliability for fuel economy, Toyota managed to give the Highlander Hybrid both. Their hybrid system has already survived millions of miles in vehicles like the Prius and Camry. No complicated air suspensions, no sensitive dual-clutch transmissions, just tried and true engineering. Add in high safety ratings, low insurance costs, and strong resale value, and you get an SUV that simply makes sense. Some owners call it a forever car. Buy it once, maintain it, and you may never need to replace it. Number 7. Subaru Forester. Next up is the Subaru Forester. This is one of those SUVs that quietly earns respect from the people who work on cars every day. It's not fancy, it's not trying to be a luxury vehicle, it's just consistent, predictable, and incredibly durable. The heart of the Forester's reliability is its boxer engine. Instead of standing upright like most engines, the cylinders lay flat, which lowers the center of gravity and reduces stress over time. Subaru has been refining this engine layout for decades, and it shows. Pair that with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and you get a drivetrain that's always engaged and mechanically simple. No fancy clutches, no complicated electronics, just a solid system that works in snow, rain, mud, and everything in between. People often worry about CVT transmissions, and for good reason. Many brands struggle with them, but Subaru's version is surprisingly durable when serviced properly. It doesn't overheat easily. It doesn't shudder. It just keeps going. Mechanics also appreciate how easy the Forester is to service. Parts are affordable. The layout of the engine bay is logical. You don't need special dealership tools for most repairs. And compared to luxury brands, the cost of ownership is refreshingly low. The result? A compact SUV that can rack up 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major issues. If you want something safe, fuel-efficient, and built to last, the Forester deserves a spot on your list. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. If you want reliability, style, and that premium feel without paying luxury prices, the Mazda CX-5 is where you should be looking. It's one of those vehicles that feels more expensive than it is. The cabin is quiet, the steering feels responsive, the doors shut with a solid, reassuring sound. But underneath that elegance is good old-fashioned, dependable engineering. The CX-5 uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine. That means no turbochargers to fail, no overcomplicated hybrid systems, and fewer moving parts. It's paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, which is far more reliable than the dual-clutch or CVT systems other brands are using. Mechanics love how easy it is to work on. The engine bay is organized. Common service items like filters and fluids are easy to access. Parts are reasonably priced, and Mazda's rust protection is among the best in the industry. In areas with harsh winters and salted roads, that's a big deal. What makes the CX-5 stand out is that it feels like a luxury SUV but behaves like a Toyota when it comes to reliability. It doesn't depreciate quickly because people know what they're getting, a vehicle that's built with care and meant to last. So if you want something stylish and comfortable, but don't want to sacrifice reliability or pay for constant repairs, the CX-5 is an excellent choice. Number 5. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is one of the biggest comeback stories in the SUV world. A decade ago, Hyundai was known mainly for being cheap. Today, the Tucson is known for being dependable, affordable, and surprisingly well built. The latest Tucson models use Hyundai's 2.5-litre SmartStream engine, paired with a traditional automatic transmission. No turbochargers, no dual-clutch transmissions, just simple, proven engineering. This setup can easily go over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Mechanics say the Tucson is easy to service. Drain plugs, filters, belts, all where they should be. You don't have to remove half the engine just to reach a spark plug. And because Hyundai's parts network has grown massively, components are cheap and easy to find. What makes the Tucson attractive is how balanced it is. It has enough tech to feel modern, but not so much that it becomes fragile. The ride is quiet, the seats are comfortable, and it doesn't punish you with high insurance or maintenance costs. It's one of those SUVs you buy, take care of, and confidently drive for the next 10 or 15 years. Simple, reliable, affordable, and stress-free. And number 4, Honda CR-V. Now we're getting into the SUVs that mechanics swear by, and the Honda CR-V is one of the most trusted names on the road. If you ask a mechanic which SUV they'd recommend to someone who hates repairs and just needs something that works, the CR-V comes up almost every time. Honda's 1.5-litre turbo and the older 2.0 and 2.4 naturally aspirated engines have proven themselves to be extremely reliable. They're efficient, low maintenance, and simple in design. Many owners, and I mean many, report crossing 200,000 miles with nothing but routine oil changes, brake pads, and tyres. The CR-V's real advantage is balance. It's not overly powerful, it's not packed with fragile electronics. It's a smart mix of utility and longevity. The cabin is roomy, the cargo area is practical, and despite being compact, it feels solid and well built. The continuously variable transmission, or CVT, is usually something people avoid, but Honda's CVT is one of the few that's considered dependable as long as you service it properly. Change the fluid at the recommended intervals and it'll treat you well. Mechanics and owners both praise the CR-V for low operating costs. Parts are affordable, repairs are simple, and this SUV holds its value incredibly well. In some markets, used CR-Vs are so expensive that buying new actually makes more financial sense. If you want a no drama, no surprises SUV that will probably outlast your driveway, the CR-V is about as safe a bet as it gets. Number 3, Toyota 4Runner. Now we're stepping into legend territory. The Toyota 4Runner isn't just reliable, it's practically indestructible. Ask anyone who owns one, and you'll get stories of 300,000 miles, original engine, original transmission, no major repairs. This thing is built like a tank. The reason for that is simple. Toyota didn't try to make the 4Runner overly modern. It's built on a truck frame with a body-on-frame design. That means it can handle rough terrain, towing, road salt, hot deserts, freezing winters, you name it. Under the hood is Toyota's 4.0-litre V6, one of the most durable engines ever made. No turbochargers, no direct injection, just old-school, naturally aspirated power that can take abuse and keep running. The transmission is a 5-speed automatic. That's right, only 5 gears. But that simplicity is exactly why it lasts so long. No overly complex electronics, no fragile parts, just a strong, proven gearbox. You won't find find air suspension or complicated driving modes here. The 4Runner is mechanical first, electronic second, and that's what makes it so reliable. Inside, it's not luxurious, it's functional. Big knobs, durable materials, easy to clean surfaces. Everything is designed to last, not impress. Yes, it drinks more fuel than a compact crossover, but for people who value reliability above all else, that's a small price to pay. The 4Runner is one of the few SUVs you buy once and keep for life. Number 2. Lexus GX. If you love the toughness of the 4Runner but want more comfort and luxury without sacrificing reliability, the Lexus GX is the answer. This is one of the best-kept secrets in the SUV world. It's a luxury vehicle on the outside, but underneath it's a rugged off-road machine with some of the most durable components ever built. The GX is built on a body-on-frame platform, just like a truck. Under the hood is a 4.6-litre V8 engine that's known to last well over 300,000 miles. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that rarely breaks, even under heavy towing or rough driving. This SUV isn't stuffed with fragile tech or air suspensions that fail at 80,000 miles. Yes, it has some luxury features, but at its core, it's a proven Toyota design wearing a Lexus badge. Mechanics love the GX because it's straightforward to maintain. The engine bay is accessible, the parts are reliable, and even though it's a luxury SUV, maintenance costs are lower than many non-luxury brands. Owners of the GX are some of the most loyal in the industry. Many refuse to sell theirs, even with high mileage, because they know how hard it is to replace something this capable and dependable. If you want an SUV that makes you feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle, but is built to survive harsh conditions, the Lexus GX is exactly that. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Here it is, the SUV that mechanics will recommend without hesitation, the Toyota Land Cruiser. This vehicle is in a class of its own. It's not just reliable, it's legendary. The Land Cruiser is built for one purpose: to survive. Whether it's the deserts of the Middle East, the mountains of Australia, or suburban streets in America, this SUV is designed to handle it all without failing. Under the hood is a massive V8 engine known for running 500,000 miles when properly maintained. It's not the fastest, it's not the most fuel efficient, but it is one of the toughest engines ever put into an SUV. The transmission is a heavy-duty automatic that's designed to handle extreme heat, cold, towing, and off-road abuse. The frame is reinforced steel. The suspension is built to take punishment. Even the paint and interior materials are selected because they can survive decades of use. Yes, it's expensive. And yes, it uses more fuel than smaller SUVs. But there's a reason Land Cruisers from the 90s and early 2000s are still selling for high prices today. They just don't die. Many mechanics say this is the one SUV they would trust to drive across a continent without a backup plan. It's the definition of buy it once, drive it forever. There you have it, 8 of the most reliable SUVs you can buy today. These are the models mechanics trust the most, the ones they recommend to their own families. They may not have the biggest screens or the flashiest features, but when it comes to lasting 200,000 miles or more, these SUVs are in a league of their own. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below, and if you made it this far, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who's shopping for an SUV and needs the truth, not the marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.